I did what everyone does now, which is you go to Google and you type in how to make money online. Except I did that back in 2007. So I typed in how to make money online, and I went down this massive rabbit hole of blogs and articles and YouTube videos. There weren't that many YouTube videos back then of people making money online, but I took everything I could. I just remember myself staying up all night reading this stuff as if it was like a test, because I kept reading and reading and reading. Oh, there's blogging, there's PPC. It wasn't even social ads. It was just AdWords, PPC, Yahoo, MSN before it was Bing. Even there was some third-party search engines as well that you would run ads, and then people were doing SEO, local SEO, when Google Places came out, not Google Local or anything. It was Google Places back then. So I just started to dig into everything, and then social ads came up as an idea because someone wrote a post about how the future is people running ads on social networks. And I'm like, oh, this is interesting. And after reading their vision on what that would look like, it had nothing to do with Facebook. They were talking about MySpace, and there's going to be other networks that come out where people connect, and there'll be ads on there like it's a TV station. Like, in hindsight, it all makes sense. But back then I was like, we'll see. Maybe. Right? Maybe I should learn some SEO and some web design, build some WordPress sites and stuff, because at least I know I can do that in the future. Sites aren't going anywhere. People need to rank. That's cool. But I started with the Facebook ads because when the platform opened up, it was brand new. It was open to the public for the first time. Not many things were not allowed. You could promote whatever you want. So I figured, you know what, $5 a day, I'll use some of my loan money that I took out for school towards this, because hey, at least maybe I'll get something out of this. If I put $5 in, I'll make 20 back. That was my thought. So I just started to test things out on Facebook, and next thing you know, I'm not studying anything at school at all. I'm like getting by, getting some B's here, some A's there, a couple C's here and there. I was not studying for school though. I was studying making money online, learning SEO, learning design, learning development. Social ads were just coming to fruition over that 4-year span. Like, by the time I graduated in 2011, like, more people were starting to ask about it. And so I just kept on that path of just, I was still partying. I went to football games and all that. I went to a lot of things, and it was great. I would never, ever say it wasn't worth it. It was $40,000 of partying, basically. But the main thing is that I also got a ton of connections. And if I never went through that experience, who knows if I ever would have dove into advertising. I had to go through that failure in the first semester to have that moment where I did all the Google searching, which then led me to, I want to do this for a living. So it all happened for a reason. I just happened to stick with it. And it still wasn't a prominent thing for people to run ads on Facebook until a couple of years after I graduated. I think around 2013, people started to ask me, how do I run ads on Facebook, and what is Facebook? We're already talking 6 years in the game for me, and people finally started to ask about it. So I had to wait quite a bit of time before things really started to work out.